Okay, so basically what you gotta do is, yeah, if you don't have the right tools anyway, just grab and twist. And holy crap, that actually worked. So we have the roll pin and the unit. This isn't super glared, but there is the old one. You see the teethers torn apart on it. And now we have the new one. And if you're curious, this was purchased from musicianparts.com. Only $2, so I think it's a pretty decent deal. And we'll take this out and kind of reverse the process. Nice and shiny. Clean and not broken. So, go to the part, the side that has that area there. Tooth facing the potentiometer. Line it up. And let's see. And both sides are pretty good. So, start it in there. Okay, pin is started. Now you grab your little unit here. And just plop it in place. Put the pin right into it. It's not going to be locked in place, but just pushing out a little bit more then. Okay. Hopefully I didn't put too far. Sorry, you can't see anything. And I did go too far. You can see it. It's just a little bit too much, so. That's a much better angle to see shit. Stuff. Okay. Now, pop that back in. Okay. Let's see here now. Okay. This should be lined up. Okay. Now, put a little bit of pressure on it. And it's in. My little handy beer hammer. Now, we line it up. First thing we do, move the potentiometer in the opposite way. Wow, that's really loose on there. Way looser than the old one. Huh, whatever. It's going to be locked in place with this. So, pull it so it's all the way back this direction. Well, it might be upside down for you. So when you bring it up, it's got full travel, and it can click without putting any pressure on the potentiometer. And this thing's loose as hell. Okay. Flip this around here. the screw. And that is installed. Just a little fine tuning here. I might have to put something in there to stop this thing from moving around. Oh, you know what? It's not that big of a deal. It's got just enough space so it's not going to fly off the gear. Now, a little bit of lubricant. I think they usually use lithium on these. I'm using something like that. This is way too much grease, but and it ain't gonna hurt anything. This is a horrible video. I don't even know if I can understand what I'm saying here. Well, that's it. The new rack gear is installed. It moves. It's a little bit too floaty, but look at that. It's way too easily. But that's something I can adjust. I can put something in here if I have to. Just put something to lock it in place. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if there's any questions. Let me know in the comments. And that's all. Have fun. It works.